line, our origin will be 60. The height here, from here to here, will be 16. No, sorry, 60. Then distance from end here to center here will be 15. Use Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel CAD. In this video I will show you guys how to draw 3D exercise 173. So let's get started. First we create body, create sketch, use XY plane. So we will start to draw this below block first, then we draw this block here. For below here, this will be our origin. Okay, this is also will be our origin. So the length here will be 90. So distance here, the horizontal distance, the vertical distance will be 75. Okay, close, set a pad. So first, pad will be 60. Okay, done here. Next, we draw this cutout here. Click on this surface. Click sketch. So we draw a rectangular. Let's draw first. So distance from here, dimension given is 35. So we set the horizontal to be 35. Then here from here is 40. We set the vertical is 40. Then we make this point here to constraint point into object to this line. That's to this line. So we need to set it to be middle of here, middle of this block. First, we create a dot here first. Then we need to find the middle point of this block first. That's this big block. So need to find from this point to our origin. Okay, distance from here to here is 75. So to find the middle is we need to 75 divided by 2. So we have here the middle point here. Next, we set distance from this point to this middle point here to be 35 divided by 2. So this block will stay in the middle of this block. We can close. We can set a pocket. Now the dimension will through all. Okay, we have this block. This cutout. Next, we need to draw the rough shape here first on this surface. Click this surface, click sketch, and then we need to draw a rectangle that attached to this line. So we set the vertical distance will be 90. Then the horizontal will be, okay, from drawing given here is 100. So this bottom block here 60. So we have another 40 here. So the height for this block would be 40. And we set it, the height from this point to our origin will be 60. Now we need to draw a hole here. We need to draw a circle first, and the circle diameter is 20. We set diameter to be 20. Okay, distance from center circle here to end here to here will be 35. 35. Then the height from this line here and here will be 20. So set the height from this center point to this reference will be 20. Next, we have a fillet here. The fillet is radius 18. We draw a circle first, and we set radius to be 18. And the circle will tangent to this line. Okay, the distance from center circle here to end here will be 50. So we set distance. The center circle to this point will be 50. Next, we need to draw a line to make the shape. This line from here, I just draw it to here. Then we make it this line tangent to this circle. Now we can do a trim. We trim this line, this circle here, this. So we do not need the hair. You can split here, trim here, here, and also here. So we have the shape here. You can close. Now we set the pad. So it's missing. It's not to be worried because when we set the pad, it will move forward. So we just click on reverse. See, because we want it to be at the side, not to the side. So the reverse. Now we set the distance. The length will be 75. 75. Okay, because we want it to be end here. Now we can draw this scallop here. So what we need to do, we just click on this place, then click sketch. We draw a rectangular. Okay, this rectangular distance here will be 45. This will be 45, and the height this point to this our origin will be 60. And the height here will be 40. Why 40? Because the height here from end here to here will be 100. Then we need to minus with 60 here. So now we need to find the center point here. So like what we do previously, we just set distance from this point to our origin, 75 divided by 2. So we have center point of the block, this block. And now we can set it this block to be centered to this block. So we set distance from this block to this center, 45 divided by 2. Now it's in the middle here. Now we can close. We have this shape underneath like this, so we can create a pocket. Okay, the dimension will be through all. So we have the shape. Next, we have a hole here. This hole diameter is 25. Distance, the center here to end here will be 15. and distance from this edge here to here will be 22.5. So this block here will be 15. Okay, let's get drawing. We click on this surface, click sketch. We have one option. We have two options here. First, we can use dot and create a center circle, center line here, or we can measure it distance from here to here and also from here to here. The same will be from here to here to center here. 22.5. We need to plus with 15. So we use the first option. We create a center here, center the block. Then we set the distance from this dot to this origin will be 75 divided by 2. So we have 37.5. Now we can draw a circle here. The diameter will be 25. So we set 25 diameter. Distance from this center to this origin line will be 15. This center to origin will be 15. Okay, now we can set it. We can use this point constraint into object from this center here. We cannot use it. Okay, we can set distance from here to here will be 37.5. Okay, close. Click pocket. Dimension will be true all. So we have a hole here. Next, we need to draw this shape here. So I assume for the back side here also have the same block here. So what we need to do, we just move it to behind. Okay, click on the surface, click sketch. Now we want to draw at the back here. So from the drawing, you see we have a hole here. The diameter will be 15, and we have a fillet here that is 12. We will start at the same center here. So we draw a first circle. The diameter will be 15. Then we have another circle. The radius will be 12. Okay. From drawing, it gives the height from this center to our origin line. Our origin will be 60. The height here, from here to here, will be 16. No, sorry, 60. Then distance from end here to center here will be 15. Use horizontal distance from our origin will be 15. Next, we need to draw 3 lines here. This is the first line, this is second line, this is the third line. I just draw roughly like that. So this line, that's upper line for this, tangent to the circle. This line also will tangent to this circle here. it will cross to this center circle, our origin here. Same go to this, so it will constraint point into object to this origin. So we have the shape. Now we can trim this, trim this, trim this, this, and also this. Now we can trim this. So we have the shape here. Now we need to mirror it to this side. So we draw a line here to make a reference line to the mirror. Okay, make sure this line is exactly constraint, vertical constraint. So we set the distance from here, this line, to our origin will be 75 divided by 2. Okay, now we can copy the whole everything. We highlight this shape here, then press Ctrl, click on this reference line. Now we can click on the symmetry. Okay, now it's copy here. We mirror to this side. So we can delete this. We do not need anymore. We can close. Okay, move it a little bit. So you can see how the shape transform. Now we can set a path. So that because it moved forward, so I want it to be reversed. See? So the length here will be 15. Distance here from here to here is 15. So we set to be 15. Okay, done. I believe our drawing have done. Check if we miss anything. So it's like everything is complete now. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.